New studies in the eastern Black Sea region have shown that more and more water is evaporating. This is causing a problem because it's getting harder to grow crops. As the weather gets hotter, this issue is making people worried about whether they can keep farming in that area. Because it's raining less, experts think that in the next few years, more water will disappear from the ground because of the sun than the amount of water that falls as rain. Professor Mikdat Kadıoğlu, who is in charge of the Weather Studies Department at Istanbul Technical University, said that the Black Sea area is one of the places most affected by climate change. He also said that by the year 2040, more water will evaporate than the amount that comes as rain. Farming is really important in the Black Sea area. They grow things like tea, hazelnuts, and corn there. But now, there's a big problem. People need more water to help the plants grow, but there might not be enough water. To fix this, experts say we should build special lakes to save water and stop the plants from dying because of drought. Kadıoğlu suggests that we should not grow plants that need a lot of water in the Black Sea region. He thinks this is a smart idea to deal with the problems caused by climate change. He said, farming is facing a big problem. We don't have a lot of water in our country, and our weather is not very rainy. So, we should not grow plants that need a lot of water, like tropical plants. Those plants need a lot of rain, and our weather doesn't have that much rain. Even though it's hot, our weather is different from tropical places, where it rains a lot every day. Kadıoğlu talked about how climate change is affecting the Black Sea. He said that we looked at how the weather is changing there, and we saw that more water is disappearing into the air than falling as rain. This is happening a lot in July. This unusual thing is expected to happen more around the year 2040. In July, when corn is growing in the Black Sea region, this is a big problem. Also, there might not be enough water in the area. The rivers in this region are short and steep, and they quickly flow into the sea when it rains. To fix this, we might need to build special lakes where the rivers meet the sea. Kadıoğlu emphasized that because more water is disappearing into the air, farmers might need to water their crops more. Normally, the Black Sea area gets more rain than water disappearing. So, farmers don't need to water their crops a lot. But as it gets hotter and a bit more rainy, by 2040, more water might disappear than the amount that comes as rain. This is a big problem, especially in July. This means farmers will have to water their crops more so they can grow well. This situation is similar to what's happening in Egypt, and it's making people worried.